Hello and welcome to Fun Quiz. In this quiz, you need to smash the celebrity's name or names together. Let me give you an example. Here's the pop band Hanson, with the next celebrities being Sonny and Cher. If you work out the link, you've won. The end of the first name corresponds to the beginning of the second name. In this case, it's Hans, Sonny and Cher. Right, let's see how you do with round one. Smash the celebrities. How did you do? Did you guess it was the Manchester band Oasis and the 70s disco queens Sister Sledge? Okie dokie, here we go for round two. Smash the celebrities. How did you do with round two? Did you guess it was the boys from Monty Python and the Bond girl herself, Hannah Blackman? Well done if you did. If not, let's see if you can get round three. Smash the celebrities. Well, that was definitely a little bit harder. Did you guess it was the Eagles and the guitar man himself, Les Paul? Well, I hope you got 3 out of 3 and I hope you enjoyed Smash the Celebrities. Make sure you check out our other quizzes, we've got loads to choose from. In the meantime, you take care and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.